What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and also hit that bell for notifications. That way you can stay up to date on all the information that I send out. I got my black card in the mail, and if you know me, everything that I promote, I got to be a part of. I got to see results for myself before I promote it. So I got my black card in the mail. And the reason why I got involved with this is because I wanted a trade line added to my credit report. I do credit repair, and I needed another trade line because I'm building my credit so I can get a condo down here at the beach where I'm at. Let's open it up and see what we got. I love the way they say boss toss. I'm gonna be boss tossing this everywhere. And depending on what package you get, which is good, you know, you go to the ATM, you get all them fees. Well, if you're in the right package, you get 0 fees. All right, nice so far. Program book. Ooh, the card. Wow, all metal right there. And then your numbers on the back there. I'm just going to drop this on my computer screen here. I got to drop it. I got a boss toss it. I'm sorry. Woo, do you hear that? I can't wait to use it. I mean, I'm just waiting to see the reaction on people. And the thing is if you get involved with this right here, not only do you get a trade line at it, it comes with a bank account, and you can send your paychecks, or if you get a check sent to you, you can take a picture and it go right up on it. And the thing is nobody has seen anything like this. Nobody has seen nothing like this. So whenever you go and you boss toss it after you order something, or throw it up on the counter, on the table, whatever, people are, what? And they're going to ask you about it. And then that is where your flyer comes in, your business card comes in, and you can help them out. And I'm in credit repair, so I know 90% of Americans or people in America have something on their credit negative. Well, I mean, it doesn't matter if it's a hard inquiry. It could be student loans, it could be charge-off, collections, medical bills, anything. And there's so many errors on a credit report. And if you want to build credit, you got to try to look for a trade line. Go look for a trade line. I'm not going to lie to you. And you're going to see the trade lines cost $300, $400, $500, $600, on up into the thousands of dollars. You can get a trade line with this company right here from $1,000 to $10,000. And it's on your credit, and it helps boost your credit. See, I wanted to get a condo down at the beach, so what I need to do, I need to add some more trade lines onto my on my credit reports. And what they was offering was, is if you signed up before June, they was going to give you a 12-month history on the trade line. So they're going to report 12 months history, and that's going to boost your credit. And then every month they report to the credit bureaus. See, now other people, they might be in it for different reasons. They might want to share this and build an affiliate downline, which is great, and make money off of that. They might want to drive their own car. I mean, this right here will pay you to get the car that you want and drive. It's just crazy, the numerous rewards, I'm sorry, that they have. Now, this is something that you might want to take a look into. This is one that I recommend, and when I'm helping people repair their credit, this is something that I tell them to get because it's cheap and it works. Why would I want to go pay $300, $400, $500 for something that I can get for $20? Make sense? And plus the advantage of having this right here, and the multiple ways to earn money, it's just icing on the cake. You want any more information on it, just message me. I'll be glad to talk with you, and I'll see you on the next video.